Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quiz. To tell you in this tutorial is how to go for your Gmail recovery in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, in case someone who has hijacked your Gmail password, in case who has hacked and stolen your device. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number so that you can reset quickly and you can protect your data. But since this data can be protected, your ID can be recovered, can be reset the password, can be added there. Recovery email and phone number once again how it is possible. Unfortunately, this area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device and now he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number so that he can go in a positions to reset his password of his email. Now let's recover live. I decided to record it live so maybe beneficial for someone who is hauling quiz to have this kind of information. See here guys, it's asking a password. If I go for try again, see here, this is a particular ID that if I go for next, it's asking a password. Now we don't have a password here. So here, what we can, just we will go for try another way. Now, we can see it's asking the phone number. We don't have a phone number so that we can scan the QR code. Now, of course, we will go for don't have. Now we can see here it's saying that we could not. Why? Sign. Why? Because I did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is mine. But of course, this can be the recover. Tag and the answer is the questions wrong. If your account is managed with the family, we have the sends special emails to your the parents to change the password. Try again. If we do, then of course Google will contact you about alternative options we will approach and we can reset. But if we don't, then of course because this will take much more time, so 48 hours. But quickly, if you would like to reset your password, then how do you without having the password? Of course, we will come in a Play Store and we will have to download one browser that is especially. Let's this browser. It's approximately 100 MB data is required. So now it has started to install. Two changes is very essential. Of course, we will hold this Z browser. We will come in app info, guys, and after coming the app info, of course, will come notification. Make the block. Then we will come back. Let me one more time. So we'll come the permission and see here. Two time I have responded. So let me back and now hold it. We'll come to once again the app info. Notification must be block or disable. Once again we will come the permission. In the permission, of course, we'll have to come the precise location, make it off, make it the navigate to off, and here is a thing to that. Now if you deny this permissions, the basic feature of your device may be no longer, but for timing I'm doing it, so just we will get it from here. We have another browser that is especially Chrome. Check it out in your Google products, and now we will have to come especially notifications, make it off. We will back one more time. We will come the permission and make the precise location, make it off, and click on a don't allow any beam. Now as we see here, we can understand here this thing. So we have done. Once again we will come in especially this Chrome browser. Hold it. We will have to come in inside of the app info. We'll come the defaults. Here we will have to pick in this browser. And thereupon, of course, we will get it from here. Now let's picture this browser. And thereupon, here, it's opening. Now we will check it out. What's happening here? Yes, we will go for continue. And if I click on here, continue. If I go for start browsing, and then here, what we will do, guys, here, just we will have to. Let me have to Google Code.in. Let me Google Code.in. Just we will pick these ones, and of course let's have Now it's opening, so just now see here, just we will come in the sign in inside of that. We'll have to enter this particular Gmail. Finds particular Gmail show. Yes, here it is. Fine. Now we will do here to next. Let's see it's asking a password or not. Yes, it is asking password. So now that we have the options to the pros alternative way, forgot password. Now see here what's happening. It's asking the QR once again to the verify. We don't have the more recovers to more tips to recover your accounts. We will across these options because answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where you have the sign in before, and the third one if your account is managed with your family on these things. So we will not click on a track, and otherwise this account would be a freeze because I am trying to record by a different browser. So Google will track this. So just we will go in the settings now. Let's approach by alternative way. Here we have options that is a Google service. Now we can check it out here. Tap on this after come the setting. We'll come in especially here. We'll go in a help bar, and in a help option see here. Now in a help options, now that we have the consign your accounts, let's open, and now that we can see here forgot, just we will pick these ones. Now more tips especially help us to other secure, just to tap by a similar status. Now so we will go for review your account here. Activities, your find out if your account has been hacked. Then of course we'll scroll up, we'll come directly on the recovery page, and we can here just see here directly we will pick this ID now, or we will have options in there. Now let's go for next. See here what's happened. Now see here directly we are here. What do you say here? How it's easily of course recover. Now we can click on it directly, change the password. Don't make a stupid things that we will click on a continue. If you go for continue, then what will happen guys here, it will ask you that it's verify you that options, and there you will have to add the recovery OTP or recovery email OTP. So don't click on here. Firstly we will change this ID and the phone. We'll go the inside of how create a strong password, confirms a new strong password, go for change it. After tap on it here, continue login, and we will go in the manage sector, the manager Google accounts and the phone. What we will do here guys, we will add the recovery email and the recovery recovery phone number, so that this kind of incident won't be happening again. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, in inquiry of course I have the query below the comment box. On live screen that we cannot create a strong the password here because it would be in public domains. After creating of course we will deliver to especially this audience. So thank you very much guys. Have a great time. Bye bye.